Here's another job I did. Outside faucet. It was leaking, and I had to chip this all away to get to it. Now I could have called a plumber. I don't know, he might have had to tear the whole wall out to fix this thing. But I got a piece of rubber hose and my wonderful hose clamp. And I tightened down on that with a wrench on this end right here, using a wrench, until that leak stopped. It stopped. I didn't need to call a plumber. I'm glad I didn't call a plumber because I need all my money for gambling. That's where it has to go.